Our next option is form template, and you will get ready-made template here. You can view them and activate template from here, and also can activate from here. So let's try this one. We have activated, and from here you can do the color settings. As we have this filter, we can change its color. From here we can change the background color and primary color, secondary color, and the border color. I'll now change the text color. Let's click Save Changes and reload the shop page. See, the button color has been changed. Now we will try the second template, elevated template. You can preview how it looks. You can activate this template from here and change the colors. Let's change the primary color and the secondary color yellow to red. Let's click Save Changes and let's go to shop page. Below the page, here's our filter coming with our ready template. It looks good. Let's go back to our dashboard, and there is more template in our premium version and more are coming soon.